Hey there, what's up, Hope you guys are doing great today. So in this video, we're going to be comparing the first iPhone, the Apple iPhone 1, versus the latest one, the Apple iPhone XS Max. Alright, so I decided to put the first iPhone ever made side by side with the latest one, the Apple iPhone XS Max, just to compare and see how much better Apple has gotten with their iPhones in terms of speed and camera quality. So we're going to be doing a speed test and also comparing pictures from both of these devices. Let's go. So here we have both of them, the Apple iPhone 1 right here and the XS Max. So we're going to do a speed test first, booting up the phone, opening up a bunch of apps, and then we'll compare pictures side by side just to see the improvements of Apple over time. So let's boot them up in 3, 2, 1. Let's press the power button, and the Apple 1 already showing the Apple logo, and the XS Max right after. And the XS Max booted up first there. Let's wait up for the Apple iPhone first gen. Did show the Apple logo first, but it's taking a little bit long to boot up. There we go, it turned on. Alright, so here are the apps that we will be opening on both of these devices. I wasn't able to download too many apps on the Apple iPhone first gen because the software is completely outdated and most new apps don't work on it. Alright, so let's start with the first app, the calendar. And the Apple iPhone XS Max. Open it up definitely way before the iPhone 1. Let's see the calculator. And the iPhone 1 actually opened it up pretty quick, but the XS Max opened up faster. Photos up next. The XS Max opened it up a little bit faster. Camera up next. And definitely the XS Max, Apple iPhone there, taking a little bit long, but there you go. Notes app. And that looked like it's a tie. Stocks app. What? It looks like the iPhone 1 might have opened it faster. I'm not sure there. Maps app. And the XS Max for sure. Weather app. And that looked like it could possibly be a tie as well. Next up, voice memos. And the iPhone 1 maybe? Not sure. The clock app. Definitely the XS Max. Settings up next. Definitely the XS Max. iTunes up next. Definitely XS Max there. The iPhone 1 trying to load it. Still looks like iTunes is a heavy app to load up. At least for the first iPhone. Oh, and it crashed. Let's try that again. Oh, I think it's loading it this time. Ah, it keeps crashing. Look at that. It can't even open up iTunes. Let's go to contacts. And the iPhone XS Max, but just by a little bit. App Store up next. Definitely XS Max ahead. And the Apple iPhone 1 still trying to load it up. Let's see if it can load App Store up though. Or maybe it won't. It can't load it like iTunes. And yep. Yeah, so the iPhone 1 seems like it can't load up the App Store. It's probably a software issue. Alright, anyways, next. Alright, so phone app up next. And looks like it's almost a tie. Safari. What? Almost a tie there, I think. Messages. And that one, it's kind of hard to tell because they opened it up differently. iPod. And the iPhone XS Max definitely won that one. But I still think it's insane how an old iPhone can still open up some apps faster than the XS Max. So as you can see, we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Moving along, let's go ahead and test the cameras out now. Alright everyone, so hope you enjoyed that video. This was a fun video to make just to see how much Apple has upgraded over time from their first iPhone to the latest one. So if you enjoyed that video, go ahead and give it a like. And that's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.